everyone, today we're visiting a really interesting place called Isla de Cabras. It's actually pretty close to San Juan. This island has a lot of history. It was used by the Spanish to help defend the mouth of the Bayamon River because they could actually shoot boats coming in from both El Morro and from this island. Also, this used to be a leper colony in the 1880s all the way until the 1920s. And this building that we're in right now was where the lepers lived. It's actually a really beautiful building. And it looks really popular for photo shoots. There's actually 3 different photo shoots going on right now here. And it's just really interesting to me because one of the first censuses done by the United States, when the United States took the island in 1898, one of their first censuses found that there were 35 people living on this island in 1910. So imagine 35 people basically living in this building. It's pretty interesting. You can see on the weekend there's a lot of jet skis here, so it wouldn't be a good idea for me to snorkel out there. This is actually really good habitat for turtles with all the grass, so it'd be pretty fun to snorkel out there, see the boat, and also maybe see some turtles too. And there are beautiful views here. It's totally worth a visit. There's plenty of parking, and there's actually beautiful places to swim with your kids too.
Puerto Rico is a vibrant island full of amazing food, breathtaking places, and lovely people. Please subscribe so you can enjoy exploring this incredible island with us. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on our next adventure.